Hello.
Yeah, that was a long time
Business
ago.
trip.
When he was starting his business. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's normally on these machines you have a problem with then the gas will come out here. And you build everything by yourself. In the new carbonization system,
How about your feeling this time you're visiting Guoxin Group?
I'm so surprised how your company is growing. The first time I was here like 10 years ago. It was a really
long
small
time ago.
company. Now it's really growing, and I'm surprised how
So Kumbo, summarize the feeling about this visiting in one sentence.
I'm so surprised.
Oh,
Produce more and more technologies and more different kind of machines, and this is really impressive.
okay, thanks for the support.
Congratulations for that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, the future of I see a lot of opportunities of your company especially for the European market.
Okay, looking forward to our long cooperation.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. 谢谢.
Thank
Thanks.
you.